Today we're gonna show you how to set up your RRF4 rack mount fan cooling system. This is perfect for cooling down the equipment in your rack bag or rack mount that builds up a lot of heat like power amps, mixers, and more. It comes with 4 fans to cool down your rack units, which are very silent so it doesn't interrupt any event with any fan noise. It also comes with a power cable and 4 screws to mount it onto your rack bag or rack mount. You can mount this to any standard rack by screwing it in using the 4 screw holes on each corner. To mount this into your rack, you're just gonna line it up to any available 2U space in your rack unit, then line up the 4 screw holes on your RRF4 with the screw mounts in your rack. After that, you can take the included screws and screw them into the 4 corners of your unit to lock it in place. Now the cool thing is there's a temperature sensor on the back so you can gauge the temperature of your rack. The fans will activate on their own when the sensor picks up enough heat and starts cooling everything down, so we don't have to press any buttons to do that ourselves. And as more heat starts to build up, the velocity of each fan will start to pick up as well to cool down your rack units. There's also an LED temperature display that shows you the temperature of the rack so you can stay aware of how hot or cool it's getting. Now depending on how much equipment you have in your rack, you can either have one RRF4 for the whole rack setup or have multiple RRF4s spaced between your equipment for a maximum cooling effect. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RRF4 rack mount fan cooling system. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. We'll see you guys next time.